Design smarter and faster with Easy Color Picker, your all-in-one color tool, seamlessly integrated into Chrome. Whether you're a designer, developer, or creative professional, this extension is built to supercharge your workflow. Watch live updates as you adjust hues, with smooth transitions and pixel-perfect accuracy. Dive deeper with precision RGB sliders and take full control using the Alpha channel to manage transparency like a pro. Need to transfer your color? Instantly copy it in HEX, RGB, or RGBA formats and paste it straight into your favorite design tools like Figma, Photoshop, or even code editors. It's fast, clean, and effortless. Have an image you love? Upload it with a click and extract its dominant colors instantly. Perfect for creating quick palettes and achieving visual harmony in your projects. And you'll never lose track of your work? Easy Color Picker automatically saves your last 24 colors in its built-in history panel, so you can revisit and reuse them anytime. From inspiration to execution, Easy Color Picker is designed to be your trusted sidekick in every creative task. Try it free today on the Chrome Web Store and color your world with confidence.